Welcome back, travelers. Today we're exploring the stunning island of Hydra, Greece, a place known for its charming harbor, beautiful beaches, historic stone houses, and peaceful car-free streets. Located in the sparkling waters of the Aegean Sea, Hydra offers a unique mix of natural beauty, history, and traditional Greek island life. In this video, we're discovering 6 of the best places to visit in Hydra. From the picturesque Hydra Port and the charming streets of Hydra Town to relaxing beaches like Mandraki Beach and Agios Nikolaos Beach, each destination reveals the island's breathtaking scenery and timeless atmosphere. Get ready to experience crystal-clear waters, stunning coastal views, and one of the most beautiful islands in Greece. Let's explore the 6 best places in Hydra, Greece. 6. Bisti Beach. The Bisti Beach is one of the most beautiful and tranquil beaches on the island of Hydra. Located on the western side of the island, this secluded beach is surrounded by lush pine forests and rugged rocky cliffs that create a peaceful and natural setting. The crystal-clear, turquoise waters gently meet the small pebble shore, making it an ideal place for swimming, relaxing, and enjoying the quiet beauty of the Aegean Sea. What makes Bisti Beach especially charming is its untouched atmosphere and breathtaking scenery. The combination of green pine trees, bright blue sea, and dramatic coastal landscape creates a stunning contrast that feels both refreshing and serene. Away from the busy harbor of Hydra Town, Bisti Beach offers visitors a calm escape where they can enjoy nature, sunshine, and the soothing sound of waves in one of the island's most picturesque coastal spots. 5. Molos Beach. The Molos Beach is a peaceful and scenic coastal spot on the beautiful island of Hydra. Surrounded by rocky hills and natural landscapes, this quiet beach offers crystal-clear waters that shimmer in shades of blue under the Mediterranean sun. The calm sea and unspoiled setting create a relaxing atmosphere, making it a perfect place for visitors who want to escape the busier areas of the island. The beauty of Molos Beach lies in its simplicity and natural charm. With its clear waters ideal for swimming and its tranquil surroundings, the beach offers a refreshing connection to nature. The peaceful scenery, gentle sea breeze, and stunning coastal views make Molos Beach a hidden gem where visitors can truly enjoy the calm beauty of Hydra's coastline. 4. Hydra Town. The Hydra Town is the charming main settlement of the beautiful island of Hydra. Nestled around the island's picturesque harbor, Hydra Town is known for its elegant stone mansions, narrow cobblestone streets, and stunning sea views. The houses rise gracefully along the hillside, creating a breathtaking amphitheater-like setting that overlooks the sparkling blue waters of the Aegean Sea. One of the most unique features of Hydra Town is its peaceful atmosphere, as cars and motor vehicles are not allowed on the island. Instead, transportation is done on foot, by donkey, or by small water taxis. This car-free lifestyle gives the town a timeless charm and allows visitors to experience the beauty of the surroundings in a slow and relaxing way. Walking through the winding streets reveals traditional houses, small shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes that add to the town's welcoming character. The beauty of Hydra Town becomes even more magical during the evening when the harbor lights reflect on the calm sea and the town comes alive with a warm, lively atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy seaside dining, watch boats arriving at the harbor, or simply admire the stunning sunset views over the water. With its rich history, beautiful architecture, and tranquil island lifestyle, Hydra Town is truly one of the most enchanting destinations in Greece. 3. Agios Nikolaos Beach. The Agios Nikolaos Beach is one of the most stunning and serene coastal spots on the island of Hydra. Located on the western side of the island, This beautiful beach is known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and peaceful natural surroundings. The beach is tucked within a small bay, surrounded by rocky hills and rugged coastline, creating a secluded paradise that feels far from the busy harbor areas. The beauty of Agios Nikolaos Beach lies in its pristine and refreshing waters, which are perfect for swimming and relaxing under the Mediterranean sun. The deep blue sea contrasts beautifully with the light-colored pebbles along the shore, while the gentle sound of the waves adds to the calming atmosphere. Visitors often arrive by boat or water taxi, making the journey to the beach part of the adventure. Despite its popularity, Agios Nikolaos Beach still maintains a tranquil and natural charm. The surrounding landscape, clear sea, and peaceful environment create a perfect place for visitors to unwind and enjoy the beauty of the Aegean Sea. With its breathtaking scenery and relaxing ambience, Agios Nikolaos Beach is truly one of the most picturesque destinations on Hydra Island. 2. Hydra Port. The Hydra Port is the vibrant heart of Hydra, known for its breathtaking beauty and timeless charm. The harbor forms a natural horseshoe shape, surrounded by elegant stone mansions that rise along the hillside like an amphitheater facing the sea. Colorful fishing boats and luxury yachts gently float on the clear blue waters, creating a picturesque scene that feels both lively and peaceful. What makes Hydra Port truly special is its unique atmosphere. Since cars are not allowed on the island, donkeys and water taxis are the main forms of transportation, giving the harbor a charming and traditional character. Along the waterfront, visitors can stroll past cozy cafes, seaside restaurants, and historic buildings while enjoying the stunning views of the Aegean Sea. With its beautiful architecture, vibrant harbor life, and relaxing coastal scenery, Hydra Port captures the true essence of island beauty in Greece. 1. Mandraki Beach. The Mandraki Beach is one of the most beautiful and inviting beaches on the island of Hydra. Located just a short distance from Hydra Town, this stunning beach is set in a peaceful bay surrounded by hills and natural coastal scenery. The crystal-clear turquoise waters gently wash onto the pebble shoreline, creating a refreshing and picturesque place where visitors can relax and enjoy the beauty of the Aegean Sea. What makes Mandraki Beach especially appealing is its calm and protected waters, which make it perfect for swimming and enjoying the sea. The beach is framed by rocky cliffs and green vegetation, adding to the natural charm of the area. Small boats can often be seen floating in the clear water, giving the bay a tranquil and scenic atmosphere that perfectly captures the peaceful spirit of the island. Mandraki Beach also has historical significance, as it once served as the main naval base of Hydra during the Greek War of Independence. Today, the beach offers a relaxing escape where visitors can enjoy the sun, swim in the clear blue water, and admire the surrounding coastal beauty. With its combination of history, nature, and breathtaking sea views, Mandraki Beach stands out as one of the most charming seaside destinations on Hydra. Thank you for joining us as we explored 6 of the best places to visit in Hydra, Greece. From the beautiful harbor of Hydra Port and the charming streets of Hydra Town to the crystal-clear waters of beaches like Mandraki, Agios Nikolaos, and Bisti, this island truly offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and timeless Greek charm. If you enjoyed this journey through Hydra, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel destinations from around the world. Let us know in the comments which place in Hydra you would love to visit the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.